So my fan blower is on full and it's selected for the front. Take a piece of paper, and it is not blowing. It is not blowing any air. Going here to my scan tool. HVAC system. Read fault code. And it gives me this code. So I've decided to get down to the fan motor, and it is located up and down in that area. We will begin by removing this side panel. Then you're gonna open your glove box and slide this lever off. Next, you're gonna pull on this glove box towards yourself, one side and the other side, just like that. Next, you're going to take this little panel off. Then you're going to use something plastic, but because I don't have any plastic knives, you're going to pry this HVAC controls off, and the other side. In there you'll find two connectors, 1 and 2. Then on the other side of your stereo, you're going to remove this little panel. On the right side of this vent, remove a screw and remove this bezel. And remove this vent itself. Then remove this plastic piece. Around your stereo head, there's 1 screw here, 1 there, and 2 on the bottom. Remove those. Now pry your stereo out. On the bottom you'll see a series of connectors. Remove those. Now we're going to remove this panel piece, and to do that there's your divider here, and you're going to want to unscrew only the screws above the divider. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. We're going to go inside this glove box opening. And there's our blower motor. So we're going to remove this clip. Then we're going to remove the screw. Now you got to twist clockwise and pull it out. Voila. The new one I got from Advanced Auto Parts. Here's the part number 75041. slide it in place, and then turn it counterclockwise to lock. My wire should be on the top, and then connect the two sockets. Put the locking screw back in place. Now let's check if it works. Turn ignition on, and we're gonna crank this fan speed all the way, and we're gonna set it to front. Reinstall. Now we'll reinstall my vent back in place. Reinstall this front panel cover. Resecure it with the screws. We're going to reinstall our stereo head back in place. Connect all the connectors in the back of it. And seat it back into the dash. Now you're going to want to secure the stereo head. There's just 1, 2, 3, and 4 silver screws. Next, you want to resecure your piece of trim with the start-stop button. Now you want to resecure your HVAC controls. Now install your piece of trim between your stereo head and your vent. Now install the bezel around your vent hole. Secure this vent bezel with a screw. Install the side piece of plastic. Now install this piece of plastic in the footwell. Now it's time for you to reinstall the glove box. Reattach the linkage. Now check what you've done. Turn ignition on. Controls work. HVAC is blowing. radio works and it's good to go.